Hello, I'm Satoko, and I live in a port town outside of Tokyo, Japan. I'm recording my day-to-day as I will be moving to a new country very soon, and while doing so, I also like to ponder a bit about topics that have been on my mind recently. So if that feels like your vibe, then welcome to my space.
Outside looking in, the looks are all different.
We've been having some beautiful days recently, and with the cherry blossom season in full swing, it really feels like the end of winter. I've been enjoying the luxury of cleaning my room and preparing to pack my new life into 2 suitcases, all with the windows wide open and feeling the southern breeze. I had my last day at work a couple weeks back as well, and it's funny just how much capacity I have for things now. It seems obvious, but apart from just having more time to do the things I've been wanting to do, I also have more mental and emotional capacity, which is something I didn't realize would make such a big difference. People say that if you really want to do something, you will always make time for it. And while I generally agree with this, when I reflect on the past few years, I think the mental capacity that creative projects require is something that I just was not able to give.
Lost your head, I can't believe another word you've said. Let's just promise not to leave this dead. I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your rent, it's too heavy. The room inside my head is too costly. You take it.
With this, I've been making the most of my time reading, writing, creating videos, sewing. I've been running, swimming, cycling. If I was a plant, I'm essentially re-watering myself so I can grow tall again.
The cage I was locked in, a whole lot like prison. It left me in despair.
Talking about books, I started making use of local libraries which surprisingly have some good collection of English literature, and I found The Cat's Cradle by Vonnegut that I've been enjoying. It's a quick and easy read that's quirky and at times so ridiculous, but equally eerily relevant to this day and age. This little break from work has also given me time to set solid goals and think about what I want to achieve as I step into my new adventure. I've thoroughly enjoyed this period of creativity and this mindful state, but I also realize that this is something I want to intentionally make space for, even when I do go back to work, even when I'm put in a more rigid routine again. It made me reflect on creativity, how, if you think about it, we're all creative, and these outlets are so important to feel at peace, to feel grounded, and maybe by stepping out of this automated routine, to feel much more human again. So going back to what I can take away, I've learned the importance not just of making the time, but also making the headspace for it in the future by winding down the day reading or starting the day with meditation, just things I used to ignore because they seemed so trivial. And as we conclude another short diary, I want to thank you for staying until the very end. Do like this video if you enjoyed it, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments as well. Wishing you all a great weekend.